All right. Time now for this hour's car review. I had a chance to drive the 2022 Ford F-150. Available trim levels include the Pro, the XLT, the Lariat, the Platinum. My reviewed trim level is the Lightning version of it. 4x4 Super Crew with a 5.5-foot bed. And I say that because there are so many variations that you can get on an F-150. It's too many to mention. What size, what class? Standard truck, half-ton, seats 5, including the driver. Exterior changes from last model year. Well, the Lightning is all new for 22. 3 bed lengths, 3 cabs, 6 powertrains. Not in the Lightning, but in the F-150 in general. But we're going to focus on the Lightning. Exterior features, exclusive front grille, if you want to call it that, with hood to light headlight horizontal bars across the thing. You cannot mistake it for any other F-150.
Cool looking, yeah.
Same for the rear lighting. It goes from tail light to tail light across the back of it. Makes the F-150 stand out from the gasoline versions. Wheels tend to be on the aerodynamic spectrum. Painted bumpers on the Lightning as well. What I liked? The differentiation between the gas and electric. Obviously, the electric wins my award. What could use improvement? Well, the range, they say, is 320 miles max at a light throttle, no AC, and reasonable ambient temperature. And I say that because...
those aren't the driving conditions in Houston.
Well, yeah, it's maximum heat here. So that's going to bring the range down because that's just the way that it works. Interior highlights. Huge center screen for the infotainment and info system, 15.5 inches to be exact. Comfortable seating surfaces, generous storage throughout the cabin. Ergonomics, great in this truck. Cargo trunk room, well, this thing is perfect for an electric truck. And let's not forget the frunk, which is where the engine would be.
Front trunk.
Which is where the engine would be in a gasoline engine. It's now a trunk up there.
And it kind of comes off odd when you see one parked and that hood's up. Because to me, I'm going to lean in and expect to see the functions of an electric vehicle.
No.
There's nothing. It's an empty storage compartment.
It's the trunk, but it's on the front of the truck. So what I liked about it, the fold-down shifter, the interior, it allows for a flat center console work area. You have to see it to believe it. It works great. I don't understand the purpose of the actual shift lever and having to have it go down all the way. I think that the perfect fit for it would be what is used in the Jaguar line of cars, where it's the round knob and the knob just sinks down to make it a flat surface. You don't need the great big.
He said he liked something about Jaguar.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, I was going to say, he didn't really say he liked it.
I didn't like it.
He just compared it.
Yeah. But the knob on the Jag works rather well, as long as you don't get something stuck down in there and it sticks down, and then you can't shift the thing.
Yeah, you get your knob stuck.
And that, don't ask me how I know that. I had someone approach me in the parking lot and ask me all about it. Got lots of looks. You know, it draws attention. There's no doubt about it. Engine. Dual electric motors, 580 horsepower, 775 pound-feet of torque. It's a direct drive, clearly. Doesn't have a transmission. Tow rating, 7,700 pounds. Payload, 1 ton, 2,000 pounds.
And doing all of that shortens its range.
Yes, it does. So I'm going to say it's approximately 420 miles is what I drove the thing. And what I found out is the usage, the electrical power usage out of the batteries, 6% of the power went to the accessories during that mileage period, 5% went to climate, 3% went to the exterior temperature, the 3%, and then the driving usage for the battery is 86%. So most of it went to driving, clearly. What I liked about it, I like the rocket startup from the get-go. In other words, you put it in drive.
It'll haul donkey.
Well, to use one of Mars' terms, yes. Mm-hmm. What could use improvement? The heaviness of it. It feels heavy. Ride and handling, smooth, compliant. Nothing could use improvement there. It really rides like a luxury limousine. Base trim price, $67,474. Prices tested, $81,099. The base model price, good luck in trying to find one, starts at $41,769.
Wow. And has been moving up since its inception.
Competitors, the Rivian R1T for $69,000 starting price. The GMC Hummer, $108,700 starting price there. And the still coming soon to a theater near you is the Ram Rev. Pricing will be announced, but I'm sure it will be competitive with the Lightning.
Cool.
You looked at me funny. Why?
Well, because I don't necessarily put the Hummer as a competitor to the Lightning.
Well, I had to come up with three, and that's one of them.
Well, mainly because the Hummer's more an SUV than a pickup, where the Lightning's a pickup.
The In Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Just look for the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show. We also videos.